Professor Black Ops. You see it, let's get it. Hackers can exploit bugs in Samsung pre-installed apps to spy on users. Samsung is working on patching multiple vulnerabilities affecting mobile devices that could be used for spying or to take full control of your system. Hackers are always working. The bugs are a part of a larger set discovered, reportedly responsible by one research through the company Bugs Bounty. Serious issues on Samsung devices since the beginning of the year. Sergey, the founder of Oversecured company specializing in mobile app security, found more than a dozen vulnerabilities affecting Samsung devices. For three of them, the details are the light of at the moment because of the high risk they pose to users. Without getting into particulars, Toshin told the magazine that the least severe of these issues could help attackers steal your SMS messages if they trick the victim. Sound like these vulnerabilities are still active. The two other are more serious, though, as they are stealthier. Exploiting them requires no action from the Samsung device user. An attacker could use it to read and or write arbitrary files with elevated permission. It is unclear when the fix will be pushed to the users because process typically takes about 2 months due to various testing of the patch to make sure that it does not cause other problems. Toshin reported all these three security vulnerabilities responsible and is currently waiting to receive the bounties. So when you find bugs on major companies, phones, computers, TVs, they'll pay you for those bugs. 17 issues responsibly discovered from Samsung alone. The hacker collected close to $30,000 since the start of the year for disclosing 14,000 issues. The other three vulnerabilities currently waiting to be patched. For 7 of these already patched, which brought 20,690 bounties. Toshin provides technical details and proof of concept exploitation instructions in the blog post today. The hacker discovered the bugs in a pre-installed app on Samsung device using the Oversecured scanner that he created specifically to help with the task. He reported the flaws in February and also published a video demonstrating how a third-party app obtained a device admin rights. The exploits are 0 day at the time and had unwanted side effects. Though in the process of getting elevated privileges, all the other apps on the Android forum were deleted. So it looks like he's showing that on his Instagram right there. The bug was patched in April and impacted and managed provisioning apps and is now tracked as CVE 25356. The hacker received $7,000 for reporting it. Toshin received another hefty bounty of $5,046 for sharing the details with Samsung about an issue, CVE 25393. Of course, the article will be posted in the description. In the setting app, allowed gaining read and write access to arbitrary files with privileges of a system user. The third best paid bounty was $4,850 in March. The patch allowed writing arbitrary files of the telephone user, which has access to the call details and the SMS and MMS messages. Samsung patched most of these flaws in May. However, Toshin told the article that Samsung also patched another set of 7 bugs that he disclosed to the company's bug bounty program. These carry risks like reading and writing access to the user contacts, to the SD card, and leaking personal information like the phone number, address, and email. Users are advised to apply the latest firmware updates from the manufacturer to avoid potential security risks. Toshin reported more than 550 vulnerabilities in his career, earning over $1 million in bug bounties through HackerOne platform and various bug bounty programs. Once again, check your Samsung phone. Make sure you get the upgrade. It's super vulnerable and can be hacked. Once again, Professor Black Ops, cybersecurity for the people. Watch them Samsung phones.